All right, you guys, I'm on Vicodin tonight. Yeah. I swear to God, I'm on Vicodin. I fucking fell off my horse today. Thank you.
No, he did.
And I'm on Vicodin, so I wrote some notes down so I don't just fucking ramble up here. I woke up this morning with my neighbor's lawnmower just like in my ear. Ah! And I thought, fuck, no. I'm not getting up. He's gonna have to mow around me this time. What a dick. All my life, I've been afraid of clowns. I don't know if anybody else. Yeah, you too?
Balloons.
Oh, clowns with balloons, not just balloons. I get it. I've been afraid of condoms, which is kind of like balloons. But I've really been afraid of clowns. And some people think it's funny, a big guy like me afraid of clowns. But I really was, until I killed one. Then I found out clowns are just people like me and you. I know, who would have thought? Clowns have hearts and livers and kidneys. It's all the same. I checked. Except they have these intestines that keep coming out in different colors. That's weird. I'm gonna get a little weird tonight. How about a song? You guys want?
Yeah!
Why don't you get out my garbage? There's nothing in there for you. That's the song my grandma used to sing to me. Why don't you get out my prescription medication bag, you little motherfucker? But I would, see, most people would hear the words, but I would hear the love behind the words. This is my grandma. I'm trying to quit smoking like Muggsy. I'm trying to quit smoking, but I have a different way of doing it. I'm roofing myself every time I want a cigarette. It's working pretty well so far this week. I have not smoked one cigarette. I've been raped 3 times. Bonus. Guys, I don't care what color they are. Black, brown, white. I am not prejudiced. I am afraid of all bears. When I say bears, I mean large, hairy, gay men. This is so stupid. The Vicodin is telling me this joke. I told that joke at a club one night. This guy called me a homophobe. And I was like, hey, I don't care if you call me a phobe, but don't call me a fucking homo. Motherfucker. I love women. I looked at this table and I said, I love women. Oh, you do? Women are beautiful. Women have an inner strength that I really admire. Fellas, if you do not think that women are strong, try shoving one in the trunk of a car sometime. Even the little ones will surprise you. They're wiry. My friend, this really happened this week. My friend, a good friend of mine, hanging out in her place. She has a little 3-year-old boy. And we're talking and stuff, and I guess it got a little boring for him, and he just shouts out, "Shit!" And that shit cracked me up. To me, I mean, there's nothing funnier than a little kid shouting a cuss word in front of his parents, and they can't do anything about it. Which I know it's not funny, and like I laughed, and she was like, "Don't laugh, just fucking encourage him." I was like, "Okay, I'm sorry." I was like, "Hey, you know what, I have an idea, let me talk to him." So I took him outside, I was like, "Hey dude, you want a cookie?" And he was like, "Yeah, I want a cookie." And I said, "What's the magic word?" And he said, "Please." And I said, "No, it's fuck." You can't just expect your life to be funny. You gotta plant seeds. Let that shit grow. Fucking harvest it later. My son, I know, it's embarrassing as shit when you're a parent. I have 2 kids, they're grown now, but when my son was like, I don't know, he was like 5. I put him in timeout, and he was mad at me. He goes, "Dad, I cannot wait until I get big and I'm the dad and you get small and you're the son. Which now on Vicodin kind of makes sense to me. That is kind of profound. Like at the time I was like, that ain't the way it works, buddy. But now he's gotten a lot fucking bigger. And I'm getting smaller, I'm pretty sure. All the time. And maybe he's right. Actually, it's kind of going to be, I think, a nice turnabout because I changed a lot of diapers on that kid. And he didn't shit like a normal human. This boy shit like a fucking 40-year-old alcoholic that's lactose intolerant and just ate a pizza. He's 2 days old. I'm changing the first time. I'm like, there's pepperonis here. He's breastfeeding and he doesn't have pepperonis? What the fuck is that? I don't know where I'm going with that. I don't know where I'm going with that joke. I quit drinking recently.
Oh no.
That's a weird response. I quit drinking, but here's the thing, there's kind of an arc to this. I quit drinking because I was drinking too much and I thought, I should stop drinking, and then when I quit, I sobered up, and then I realized that I really have some pretty compelling reasons to drink. So I started drinking again. But while I was not drinking, I went to meetings. And if you guys haven't been to meetings, you should go because they're interesting as hell. I'm gonna give you just can I just do a quick impression of a guy at an AA meeting for you guys? I know it's not supposed to go beyond the AA, but this happened at an AA meeting. This guy got up and he's like, my name is Alan, and I'm an alcoholic. I woke up today, and I want to drink. I said, I gotta call my sponsor. So I called my sponsor. I said, I want to drink. My sponsor said, don't drink. My sponsor said, hold my baby. I said, what? He said, hold my baby. So I held his baby. He said, feed my baby with your nibble. I said, what? He said, feed my baby with your nibble. I said, man, this is a bag of Skittles. What the fuck is this shit? So I know I could not trust the sponsor. So I went to my higher power. I said, higher power. I want to drink. My higher power said, I'm tired of all these motherfucking snakes on this motherfucking plane. So I'm not gonna trust my higher power. So I went to the words, the words keep us straight, like one day at a time, and better ingredients, better pizza. Thank you for letting me share.